Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the scoring summary of a particular match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and then select League. After that, you should select a match, so tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. You might need to wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that, tap on the Gamecast section at the top, scroll down.